Alright, here we go. We got a 86 Monte Carlo SS. What year is this? 2010 new models. I love these. Can't go wrong with that. Detroit, Michigan. Too bad they send all their work overseas. Got a little Camaro here. Little Camaro here. Got the Camaro here. This is personally my favorite Camaro. Muscle Mania 2010. All these muscle cars. 2010 in it. Here we go. What do we got? Datsun Bluebird 510. Package got a little. Whatever. Sat in the closet for 20 years, so it could be worse. It could be all damaged cardboard and stuff, or entire thing faded away. 2010 again. I just recently kind of started appreciating the look of the Datsun. I'm not gonna lie. Magnum, personally, one of my favorite wagons of the let's just say 2000s or better. I do love a Magnum. Plan on buying one, but alright, here we go. We got another Pontiac here. Firebird 400. This one's sweet looking. I almost wish the front there was painted on the car the way it is in the package. Yeah. I was hoping to find a couple more first editions. Studebaker Champ. I think that just looks awesome. I'd love to have one of those. You don't see them every day. Obviously, I don't need it. It looks like Goodyear Eagles. Yeah, I don't need those kind of thing. I just nice little hot rod type. See what kind of keep the trucks over here. After a while, I've got a new set of Hot Wheels. I actually got back into Hot Wheels a couple months ago. Here's a plane, Mad Props. I'll give them the names. The names are always catchy. A couple months ago, I got back into Hot Wheels. I'm into hearses. I like hearses. I like station wagons. I'm not saying much about this plane because that's a plane. But so my wife actually started looking for stuff for me, and it's become an awesome little Hot Wheels hunter. So she finds me all kinds of good stuff, and we got AMC Javelin AMX. Once again, see the front, bottom. No, it's chrome. So I guess in this here, where's this one? I guess that's what they would consider chrome if you look at the green car on the package. Chrome bumper on the bottom there. Not the best detail, but so then that should be chrome, right? It's not. It's same color as it. Whatever. Doesn't matter. Once again, I don't get paid to do it. Someone else does, so I'm not going to argue with them. Alright. I don't know if that's a gas hole for the gas cap. I don't think so. It's a big old trunk hole thing. You can even see the imperfections on the car. Not a big deal. Like I said, 20 years old. I wish I was looking that good. 20 years fresh. Buick Grand National. Now I have over here the side in a different box I've been going through today. I have this here open. Johnny Lightning Grand National. And no, you know, I'm not gonna. I kind of like the bottom one better. But once again, I would just have it painted up all racy with nice tires on it. But if you get a Grand National, you gotta have a black one. Then you get a second Grand National and mess with that. Always keep it in the original. I'm talking real life cars too. If you're gonna do it right, people. Alright, back to that. Grand National. Looks like it's lower. Like I said, got some racing slicks on it. Not racing, maybe. Doesn't matter. New videos. This must be a newer box here. I'm hoping for some older stuff, but we got a tail dragger. Looks like an old, I don't say Ford, Mercury, Buick. I don't know. As soon as I say it is something, then I'm gonna get told I'm wrong. So I don't. It's one of those things. Perhaps. Maybe Plymouth. I don't even know. Nissan 370Z. About to say 350Z. You know, nothing. Looks cool. Nice shiny paint job. Looks a lot brighter than the paint job on the card there, but 2010 new models. I don't know if that's makes it special or anything. I think I got a couple of new models, or just one. There's that and the Monte Carlo SS. What else we got in here? We got a box here full of them. Like I said, pull out 4 more. Let's see what we got. Top of the pile. Another 2010 new model. Pretty slick. I like these. I'm actually looking for this body style right now. Cheap though. Looking for like a couple places online. That's a 2010 new model too. A couple places online you can buy old cop cars, and that's one of the. I'm looking for a cop car with that body style. They keep maintenance records of it. They maintain it on a decent basis. And for that body style, I'm looking to have something that I can tear apart anyways. 441, okay. Looks like a dope little golf cart. You know, the golf cart we all want, actually. That's what I'm saying. Looks like the golf cart we all want. 1-seater. Nobody needs to be in your golf cart with you. Probably a big old beer cup holder somewhere. I would just need a big monster can cup holder because I don't drink beer. Beers don't taste good. Alright, this is more, a little bit more my style. I've had bags on it. But, it has a big old engine. That's cool. Race World Highway 2010. Pit Cruiser. Very cool. And this one, Mardi Gras Canyon Carver. That's cool. Like I said, that's not too 2011. If you had to have one, right? Why not? Coupe. Oh, nice. There's a black one. I don't know what that is. Let's see what these are quick. Alright, so the rest of these here. What's left now? I remember these were when I was a young lad. Nissan Skyline GTR R34. Like, it's a new model. I hope some of these are like collectible. This one I know is collectible. Everyone's the Nissan Skyline. I could probably sell that right now for whatever. Not going to, but everybody's looking for it. I'm looking for the treasure hunts. The rare ones, that's what I'm looking for. Let's see what we got. Oh, nice old Jaguar. Matchbox. Still Mattel, don't matter. Alright. Where does it say? Oh, Mattel. I own both. Let's don't do as good detail on these ones. Like the red-headed stepchild, if you will. That's how they treat I'm gonna tell people it's terrible. Alright, this is cool. Looks like a dragster thing. Oh, here we go. 2010 new model. 49 drag Merc. Oh, it's Mercury. You really can't go wrong with old school Mercury. Look at the grill. I wish they put more detail on the grill. Maybe put some like black detail in between the teeth on that grill. Make it stand out. I think sweet. Alright, what's this here? Another 2010. Faster than ever. We got a custom V8 Vega. Vegas are big these days. All the cars that are unappreciated are coming back. I'm talking about station wagons. I love station wagons. If you got a station wagon and you're watching this, hit me up. If you're gonna sell it, that is. 2010 new model. 09 Cadillac CTS-V. If you got a Cadillac station wagon, you're trying to sell it, hit me up. New model. 4 doors. I'm one of the weird people that actually like 4 doors, so station wagons, I guess. You know, you get what you get. Let's see, this is New World Racing. Oh, just a Race World, my bad. Movie Stunts 2010. We got a 84 Pontiac. Stunt car. Like, I want to find one that says Super Treasure Hunt. This one's cool though. Got the nice rims, shiny. Yeah, we got the shine. I always love the shine. Alright, we got this one here. Another Race World. Speedway 2010. Celine S7. This one's just cool. Oh, man. Yeah, one's sweet. Can't go wrong with that. Another one. Here we go. Canyon Carver. I have another one of these I just showed. So, oh, the other one's at Mardi Gras Canyon Carver. So same bike, different color scheme. I kind of am disappointed when they do that, but you can only have so many cars, right? And I personally, I'm not a big fan of the unrealistic stuff. I like stuff that's real, you know, motorcycles you can drive, cars you can drive. Bam! This one's cool. Didn't even remember I had this one. It's a mystery. It's a 2010 mystery block, you know what I'm saying? All you can see is that I'm gonna have to look up 2010 mysteries and see if gold with flame. Ooh, that's exciting actually. And then on top of all that, I found these short cards. Got a custom V8 Vega again, a blue one. This one's blue on white. White on blue, blue on white. White interior. Yeah, so I got that, and then there's the other Vega I just had right here. I'll probably just hang those on the wall together. Boop, just like that. One clip, 2 cars. Got another short card here, Ferrari 458 Italia. I don't tell anybody. Am not really impressed by Ferrari. I'll say it. You heard it here first. On to the next one. Nissan 370Z. You know what? I just showed another one of these, so that's cool. I can put this on the wall with its buddy right here. That's nifty. I didn't even know that was didn't know those were in there. But yeah, so that's in there. Alright, so I'm gonna shut this off. take some group pictures, and I cut the tape on this. You guys will see this before I will, but whole another box to go through. And then look at that big old winged one right there. I like the wings. Alright, signing off.